Are you ready to unlock the power of your words and transform them into captivating art? Look no further than the Bing AI image creator. In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of using this incredible tool to create stunning images that will leave you in awe. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Bing AI image creator and unleash your creativity like never before. Don't forget to watch this video till the end, and I will be sharing some valuable tips and tricks along the way. And hey, if you have any questions or want to share your experience, don't hesitate to write a comment below. I would love to hear from you. The process is incredibly easy, my friends. All you need to do is follow a few steps. First, open your favorite search engine and type Bing Image Creator in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears and voila, you will be taken to the magical world of Bing AI Image Creator. Once you are on the Bing Image Creator website, get ready to unleash your creativity. It will ask you to write your first command, a simple phrase or keyword that will serve as the inspiration for your image. But before we dive into the creative process, you will need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Now that you are all signed up, it's time to let the magic happen. You will be directed to the art creation page where the Bing AI image creator will work its wonder. And here's the exciting part. You have a daily limit of 100 images. That's right, you can create up to 100 stunning images every single day. However, keep in mind that once you reach that limit, the process may slow down a bit. Let's put the Bing AI image creator to the test. Shall we? Give it a command like digital marketing and watch it generate a stunning image based on your input. It's like having your own personal artist at your fingertip. But wait, there's more. The Bing AI image creator offers a plethora of options for you to explore. You can download the image, customize it further to suit your needs, and even share it directly to your social media platform. The possibilities are endless. Now let's take it up a notch. How about we give it another command, something like a handsome man in black mask in office setting? Prepare to be amazed. The results will leave you speechless. How about we give it another command, something like image creation at its peak? Prepare to be amazed as the Bing AI image creator works its magic once again, delivering breathtaking results that will leave you speechless. And there you have it, my friends, the Bing AI image creator in all its glory. But what if you want to create more images after you have used up your daily credits? Don't worry. Bing AI image creator has got you covered. You can explore reward options to continue creating incredible artwork. Thank you for joining me. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and hit the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.